Understanding, not giving an inch. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Specifically, we'll explore what it means when someone is not giving an inch. This expression is a brilliant example of English's rich figurative language, and understanding it can greatly enhance your communication skills. Let's get started. Not giving an inch refers to a situation where a person is very stubborn or refuses to change their position or compromise in an argument or negotiation. It paints a vivid picture of two sides in a standoff, where neither is willing to give up even the smallest amount of ground. This phrase is often used in contexts where there is a conflict, a debate, or a negotiation, and it highlights the determination or stubbornness of the individuals involved. The phrase, not giving an inch, likely originates from physical contests or battles where literally giving up space could mean losing. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphorical expression used to describe situations far removed from physical confrontations. It embodies the idea of standing firm in one's beliefs or decisions, regardless of the pressure to yield. To help you understand how to use not giving an inch in conversation, let's look at a few examples. In the boardroom, the CEO was not giving an inch, insisting on her original proposal despite opposition. During the negotiations, both parties were not giving an inch, making it difficult to reach an agreement. He was not giving an inch on his decision, even though everyone advised him otherwise. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations to express steadfastness or refusal to compromise. There are several other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to not giving an inch. Some of these include standing one's ground, not budging an inch, holding firm. Understanding these synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and allow you to express the same idea in different ways. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, not giving an inch. Remember, idioms like this one are what make English a dynamic and expressive language. By incorporating them into your conversations, you can communicate more vividly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video.